Hey guys, welcome to another video. I would like to show you the recipe today for this pasta salad that is absolutely amazing, one of my favorites, especially for summer when I don't always feel like eating a proper hot meal. So this is perfect for either lunch or dinner, or even take it with you to work. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. So I start preparing my salad with cooking the pasta. I'm using the whole wheat pasta, but sometimes I use gluten-free, doesn't matter. After cooking, I pour quite a lot of olive oil onto the pasta so that it doesn't stick together, it's not glued together, and I let it cool down. In the meantime, I'm slicing or cutting the bacon, and I will fry the bacon on frying pan. Don't need to use any oil, as the fat in the bacon will melt. Now I'm preparing the vegetables, so I cut the plum, tomatoes in half. I dice the pepper, spring onions, and I dice the red onion as well. So now I'm mixing all the ingredients in a bowl. Now at this point you can add some more olive oil. Don't be afraid of olive oil, it's very healthy when it's not heated, and I'm adding the rest of the vegetables. When it comes to the amounts of the vegetables, it depends, it's totally up to you. I love all these veggies, so I put quite a lot of these. Now I'm adding the bacon as well, and I mix everything together. I'm also adding some sweet corn. I usually use black olives for this salad, but I didn't have enough black olives at home, so I mixed them and I used some green and black olives. But it's totally up to you, whatever you fancy, it will taste good. Now I'm adding only black pepper, as bacon is salty, so you don't really need any extra spices unless it's fresh herbs like basil, as you can see. This salad is absolutely amazing, very filling. You can take it with you to school or to work for lunch. It's absolutely delicious. I usually eat it with some salad leaves and with maybe avocado, half of the avocado. You can eat it just like this. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Like the video if you want more recipes like that. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below. What's your favorite summer salad? See you soon. Bye.